Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating a backup or new VCS branch so you can revert if needed. Once done, edit the package metadata files, manifest package, JSON, build, Gradle, or setup. CFG to the new name, this tells tools where the app now lives. Then rename the physical package folders to match the namespace because mismatched folders break imports. Make sure to save and commit each small change, so your IDE and build system pick up the new structure immediately. Next, use your IDE's refactor tool to update package declarations and import so code compiles. This preserves references safely. Then perform targeted search and replace for resource paths, config keys, CI scripts, and tests that reference the old package name, because those textual references won't auto-update. Update any dependency or module entries that refer to the package. Once changed, run lint and static analysis to catch missed spots, and fix compiler errors iteratively. This prevents surprises when you build. Finally, rebuild the project and run unit plus integration tests. This verifies runtime behavior and surfaces any remaining issues. Make sure to update signing keys, app store or package registry entries, CI/CD configs, and version identifiers so distribution works with the new name. If something breaks, clear IDE and build caches, reinstall dependencies, and rerun the build. These steps often resolve stale references. If imports still fail, inspect package declarations and folder paths. One mismatched segment usually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.